हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल फार्मा प्लेनेट। आज इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन ऑन फैक्टोरियल डिजाइन एंड एनोवा। So first question, that is, what term refers to the situation where two independent variable have an effect when they are in combination? Option A, artifact. Option B, confounding variable. Option C, dependency. Option D, interaction. The correct answer is D, interaction. Second question, a 2 into 2 factorial design is called a one-way ANOVA, results in a 4-cell matrix, cannot yield interaction, must include an organismic independent variable. तो यहाँ पे 2 into 2 फैक्टोरियल के लिए कौन सा सही है वो यहाँ पे हमें डिफाइन करना है, वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, रिजल्ट्स इन अ 4-cell मैट्रिक्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what does an A into B interaction mean in a two-way ANOVA? Option A, there must be significant main effect for factor A and B. The main effect for factor A and B must be sort of significance. Option C, the effects of factor A depend on the level of factor B. If there are significant main effect, they must be interpreted first before interpreting the interaction. The correct answer for this question is option C, the effect of factor A depends on the level of factor B. Next question, factorial experiments include two or more dependent variable, include two or more independent variable, focus on unmeasured factor, focus on organismic factor. The correct answer for this question is B, it include two or more independent variable. Next question, question 5, what is the major advantage of within subjects design or between subjects design? यहाँ पे ऑप्शन है, ऑप्शन ए, they require fewer participant. Option B, they require less time. Option C, they are more sensitive. Option D, they are better tests of causality. यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर है C, they are more sensitive. The next question, factorial design allow us to study both blank effect of the independent variable on the dependent variable. यहाँ पे ऑप्शन है, ऑप्शन ए, main and interactive. Option B, dependent and independent. Option C, symbiotic and dichotomous. Option D, rank order and correlations. यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर है आंसर ए, मेन एंड इंटरैक्टिव इफेक्ट्स. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following statement is correct about the interaction? Option A, they are enhancement of the effect, they are additive effect, they are spurious effect, and option D, they occur only in interaction with organismic dependent variable. यहाँ पे सही आंसर है ऑप्शन ए, they are enhancement of the effect. Next question, within subjects factorial, option A, must include independent group of participant. Option B, are also called repeated measures factorial. Option C, use statistics that take into account the correlated nature of the data. And option D, both B and C. यहाँ पे सही आंसर है D, that means both B and C, they are correct for the within subject factorial. The next question, what are the factor in factorial design? The independent variable, the dependent variable, the organismic variable and the experimental variable. सही आंसर है यहाँ पे ऑप्शन ए, द इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, फैक्टोरियल डिजाइन्स इंक्लूड नो मोर देन वन रिसर्च हाइपोथेसिस, कैन नॉट टेस्ट पार्टिसिपेंट अक्रॉस मोर देन वन कंडीशन, आर इनएफेक्टिव व्हेन मैच्ड पार्टिसिपेंट आर इंक्लूडेड, एंड लास्ट ऑप्शन, कंटेन मोर देन वन नल हाइपोथेसिस. यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर है फैक्टोरियल डिजाइन के लिए सही क्या है ये हमें डिसाइड करना है. यहाँ पे करेक्ट आंसर है डी, कैन नॉट मोर देन कंटेन मोर देन वन नल हाइपोथेसिस. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन इन द फैक्टोरियल डिजाइन नोटेशन 2 into 3 into 2? Option A, interaction will be found. Option B, the design has 12 independent variable. Option C, the design has 3 independent variable, 2 level of A, 3 level of B and 2 level of C. Option D, the design has 2 independent variable, 3 dependent variable and 2 organismic variable. The correct answer for this question is option C, the design has 3 independent variable, 2 level of A, 3 level of B and 2 level of C. Next question. Which of the following is correct about a mixed design? Option A, it includes both a within subject and a between subject component. Option B, it includes both ANOVA and chi-square statistical analysis. Option C, it includes both a manipulated and a non-manipulated variable. And option D, either A or C. यहाँ पे सही आंसर है D, either A or C. That is the correct for the mixed design. The next question. What is listed in the first column of an ANOVA summary table? Option A, degree of freedom. Option B, sum of square. Option C, source of variation. And option D, significance level. यहाँ पे correct answer है option C, source of variation. The next question. Which of the following is correct? If there are no main effect, there can be no interaction. Option B, whenever interaction are found, there must be main effect. Option C, whenever main effects are found, there must be at least one interaction. Option D, when both interaction and main effect are found, the interaction are interpreted first. यहाँ पे सही आंसर है option D, when both interaction and main effects are found, the interaction are interpreted first. Next question. Which of the following statement is true? No more than 4 factor can be included in a factorial design. Option B, interaction with up to 10 factor can be readily interpreted. Option C, any number of factor can be included, but interpretation of interaction is more difficult as the number of factor increases. And option D, the number of factor has no bearing on the interpretation of result. यहाँ पे सही आंसर है option C, any number of factor can be included, but interpretation of interaction is more difficult as the number of factor that is going to be increases. What is the appropriate statistical test for a factorial design? The Morse test, ANOVA, t-test or chi-square? यहाँ पे सही आंसर है B, that is the ANOVA. The next question. A 2 into 2 factorial is essentially two designs that have been combined into a single study, contains 4 factor, does not have enough factor to show interaction, and option D is extremely difficult to interpret if interaction are found. सही आंसर है यहाँ पे आंसर E is essentially two design that have been combined into a single study. The next question. Unlike the ANOVA, the MANOVA procedure has more than one independent. Option B has only one dependent measure. Option C must have no more than one dependent measures. And option D must include at least 3 dependent measures. यहाँ पे सही आंसर है आंसर A has more than one dependent measures. The next question. Design in which more than one variable are studied simultaneously are called blank design. Option A, two-tailed. Option B, factorial. Option C, sum of square. And option D, replicate. The correct answer for this question is option B, that is factorial. For ANOVA models, the level of factor can be selected according to the option A, none of the choices are correct. Option B, mixed effect model. Option C, random effect model. Option D, fixed effect model. यहाँ पे सही आंसर है correct answer is answer A, none of the choice are correct. The next question. The blank model contains some fixed and some random effect. Option A, mixed effect. Option B, random effect. Option C, factorial design. Option D, fixed effect. The correct answer is A, mixed effect. The next question. Use of experimental design technique in the design stage of a process is referred to as option A, online process control. Option B, factorial design. Option C, offline process control. And option D, fractional factorial design. यहाँ पे सही आंसर है ऑप्शन C, दैट इज ऑफलाइन प्रोसेस कंट्रोल. सो यहाँ पे हमने ये इस वीडियो में डिस्कस किया है MCQ ऑन फैक्टोरियल डिजाइन एज वेल एज ऑन ANOVA. Please like this video, and also if you are new to this channel then subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.